Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your YouTube account to Hootsuite. To find the option to add your YouTube account, go into the social accounts and themes under your profile here at the bottom left. This is the tab that you're looking for, and then click on it. And in here, you click into the private account with a plus sign on the side. Now in here, you can find all of the options of how to add your social accounts. Since this video is all about YouTube, let's press YouTube. Once you click it, it's going to request for you to log in. Once you finish that, you can decide which parts of your YouTube channel that Hootsuite can access. For me, I'm just choosing one for it to view only my YouTube videos. If you're alright with everything, then just press Continue. And then you're done. And that's how to connect your YouTube account to Hootsuite.